Good morning, dear students. We are see the chapter number 3, chemical reaction and their and elements. Textbook page number 30. Can you recall what are the types of molecules and elements and compounds? Elements are divided into. Answer is the elements are divided into three classes, that is metals, non-metals and metalloids. When two or more elements in a chemically combine in a definite ratio or proportion of a weight is called a compound. Next one, can you recall? Second, what is meant by the valency of element of a element? The definition, the capacity of an element to combine is called a valency. Another definition, valency is the number of chemical bond formed by one atom of an element with other atom is called a valency. For example is a hydrogen. Atomic number is 1, mass number is 1 and valency is 1. Helium, atomic number 2, 4 is a electronic configuration. Electronic configuration is 2. 2 is a K cell is a complete. Lithium 3, 6 is the electronic configuration 2 and 1. 1 is the outermost cell of the electron is a L cell is a valence electron or a valency. Next one is a chemical reaction. Is a chemical reaction. Chemical reaction. Chemical reaction is a chemical reaction or a chemical reaction. A chemical reaction is the process in which some substance undergo bond breaking and are transformed into the new substance by the formation of a new bond. Another definition, a chemical change in which a reactants or elements or compounds for a new compounds the product, it is called a chemical reaction. Previous standard either 9th is a NaOH plus HCl. NaOH is a base plus HCl is a acid to form NaCl is a salt plus OH and H2O is a water. This reaction is a redox reaction, acid base neutralization reaction, NaOH plus HCl to form NaCl plus H2O. This is a chemical reaction. This is a left side is a reactant. Left side is a reactant and arrow mark is a right side is a product. Reactant is NaOH and HCl and product is NaCl and H2O. Is a chemical reaction. What is meant by the term of physical change? Give an example. Physical change. First point is when a physical state of the substance change but its chemical composition remains same, then it is said that a physical change has taken. Second one is a physical change is obtained a temporary in a nature. Water converts into ice and ice converts into the water is a physical change. During a physical change, a new substance are not formed. For example, evaporation of water, sublimation of kapur, condensation of steam, melting point of ice, melting point of wax and transformation of ice into a water. Ice converts into a water is a physical change. Next one is a chemical change. Example of chemical change, burning of wood, decomposition of manure, rusting of iron. Fourth one, refining of fruits, digestion of food in a stomach, cooking of food, milk turned into the curd is a chemical change. Next one is a chart. Identify physical and chemical change from a phenomena given in a following tables. First, serial number, phenomena, physical change and chemical change, transformation of ice into water, Transformation of ice into a water is a ice converts into water is a physical change. Cooking of food is a chemical change. Is a new substance is formed is a chemical change. Refining in a fruits is a chemical change. Milk turned to curd is a chemical change. Evaporation of water is a physical change. Digestion of food in a stomach, digestion of food is a food in the stomach is a chemical change. Size reduction of naphtha ball exposed to air is a chemical change. Staining of a Shahabadi or Kadapa tiles by the lemon juice is a carbon dioxide is formed is a calcium carbonate to form a carbon dioxide is a chemical change. Breaking of glass object on the falling from the height is a chemical change. Next one is a chemical equation. Next one is a chemical equation. Chemical equation definition. A chemical equation is a representation of a chemical reaction with the help of a chemical formula. For example, aqueous solution of copper. For example, aqueous solution of copper sulfate plus zinc dust to form aqueous solution of zinc sulfate plus copper is the word equation and formula is a equation. A chemical equation is a representation of a chemical reaction with the help of a chemical formula. Aqueous solution of copper sulfate is a CuSO4 is a aqueous, short form is a AQ is a short form, plus zinc dust is a Zn is a solid is a dust. Zinc dust is a copper sulfate to form aqueous solution of zinc sulfate is a ZnSO4 is a zinc sulfate is the aqueous plus copper is a product is a precipitate is a downward side is a precipitate is a PPT, short form is a precipitate, short form is a PPT is the example in a chemical equation. Third one, next one is a writing is the importance of a chemical equation. Writing कसं करायचं इक्वेशनचं त्याबद्दल आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे माहिती घ्यायची आहे. फर्स्ट वन, द रिएक्टंट अँड प्रोडक्ट involved in the reaction. Reactant and products involved in the reaction. Reactant is a left side in a aromers and right side is a product. Next one, symbol and formula of all the substance involved in the reaction. Next one, an arrow heading towards the product is drawn up between them. The arrow indicates the direction of the reaction. Is the reaction, for example, NaOH plus HCl. HCl is a NaOH and HCl is a reactants in arrow mark and form is a NaCl plus H2O is a product. This is the example of product. Next one is if the reactant or products are two or more, reactants and product, two or more, two reactants and two or more products, they are linked with the plus sign, linked in a plus sign in between them to make a chemical equation more informative the physical state of the reactants and indicated the equation. This gaseous, liquid or solid state is indicated by the letter. Gaseous is indicated by G, liquid is indicated by L, and aqueous is a AQ, and solid indicated by the S. Solid is indicated by the S respectively in the bracket. Fifth one, if the product is a gaseous instead of a gas, it can be indicated as a arrow mark. Gas is a arrow mark. Upward arrow mark is a gaseous state, gaseous pointing upward. If the product formed in a insoluble solid in the copper precipitate, then the instead of solid, it can be indicated by the arrow is a downward arrow is a precipitate or PPD. Pointing is downward. When the reactant and products are in the form of solution in a water, they are said to be present in a aqueous solution. Solution in a water is a NaOH is aqueous and HCl is a liquid, NaCl is a solid and H2O is a liquid state. The reactant and products are in the form of solution in a water. They are said to be present in an aqueous solution state. This state is indicated as putting the letter is a AQ bracket after the formula. For example, CuSO4. For example, is CuSO4 is a CuSO4 plus ZnSO4 is a aqueous and copper is a precipitate. Copper is a solid. When the heat is to be given from the outside to bring about the reaction, it is indicated by a sign. Sign is a heat. Sign is heat sign. Is a heat sign. Heat sign written as the arrow. Mark is a heat. Heat is a arrow. In the indicated the direction of the reaction. For example, copper chloride, calcium carbonate to form heat. Calcium oxide plus CO2. CO2 is the gaseous state, calcium is a solid, is the aqueous, is our solid substance, solid. Calcium carbonate is solid, heat, calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. When the heat is released during the chemical reaction, that indicates as follows: CuSO4 plus ZnSO4, CuSO4 plus Zn to form ZnSO4 is the aqueous plus Cu is a solid is a precipitate plus heat. Precipitate plus heat is a example. The condition like a specific temperature, pressure and catalyst. Catalyst is a मदत करणारा किंवा मदतनीस आपण म्हणतो त्याला कॅटलिस्ट म्हणलेला आहे. That etc. which is the necessary bring about some reaction. These conditions are indicated below or above the arrow indicates in a direction of the reaction. For example, vegetable oil. For example, vegetable oil vegetable oil. Vegetable oil is a liquid state plus H2 gas to form heat is a 60 degree Celsius, and nickel is a catalyst. निकेल इज द कॅटलिस्ट. म्हणजे हीट वर लिहिलं जातं आणि जो कॅटलिस्ट आहे तो मदत करणार आहे त्याला काय लिहिलं जातं, त्या ॲरोमार्कच्या खाली लिहिलं जातं. त्याच्यामध्ये काय वनस्पती घी प्रोडक्ट काय असणार आहे, वनस्पती घी. 11th इज स्पेसिफिक इन्फॉर्मेशन or name of the reactants products are written below the formula. Reactants, for example, copper is a solid plus 4HNO3 is a aqueous to form copper nitrate is a hydrogen nitrate, nitric acid, CnO3, copper nitrate plus twice NO2, nitrogen dioxide is a evolved plus twice H2O is the reaction. Copper is a solid state. 4HNO3 is a nitric acid to form copper nitrate plus NO2, nitrogen dioxide plus water is a chemical reaction special from a reactants. CuS plus 4HNO3 is a reactant and CuNO3 plus twice NO2 plus twice H2O is the product. Next one is a balanced chemical equation. Balanced chemical reaction balanced chemical reaction. For example, CuSO4 plus is a solid plus zinc to form zinc is a solid, and ZnSO4 is a aqueous plus Cu is a precipitate is a balancing equation, balanced chemical reaction. Cu is a 1, S is a 1, O is 4 and Zn is a 1. Is a CuSO4 plus Zn is a reactant. And ZnSO4 plus Cu is a product. Is equal to Cu is a 1, S is a 1, O is a 4 and Zn is a 1. Zn is 1, S is equal to 1, O is 4 and Cu is 1. Is the left hand side and right hand side is a equal, is a balanced chemical reaction. Balanced chemical reaction. Next one is a unbalanced equation. In this, if the number of atoms of each element is not the same on the two sides of an equation, it is called an unbalanced equation. For example, H2SO4 plus KCl to form KSO3 plus H2 is a unbalanced equation. H is a 2, H is equal to 2, S is equal to 1.